Hey guys, Abby here. Just wanted to do this video. This is only going to be for setting up your CliqlyPro sub ID tracking link. Okay, so what you do is you come into CliqlyPro, send your emails. Like you're gonna send your email. You come down here, and I've already set up a couple actually for tomorrow, but I'm gonna go set one up right now. You click here to send email. You are going to hit this, so your openers, you're gonna go set up your email. 20,000. I do sets of 20,000. You're gonna say select this email. You're going to say enter new link to send clicks to. That is the drop down. So instead of the Conversion House Media 10-cent link, we're going to say enter new link to send clicks to. We are going to put in a sub ID on your 10-cent link. This is mine. Every person in Cliqly link right here, all of our links start the same. Then it has the affiliate ID, which is your affiliate ID. This is mine, but you will need to put your affiliate ID right here. And then we add this code right here, this and sub ID equals cpro. This is what is going to track your link. This is what is going to identify you. And then this is the beginning of every person's 10-cent link. What you will need to do is either type this out, copy it exactly, but you need to swap out this ID right here. The way that you find that ID is you come over to your Conversion House Media dashboard, and right here, the ID 5180, or you can look up into the corner, the right corner, and it's 5180 up there. This is going to be your ID. You need to take that ID and put it right there. So everyone's link starts with https://linktracksystem.biz/?AFFID equals, you would put your ID there, and then you will add a code at the end right here that says and sub ID equals cpro. No spaces, no funny things, just literally this is every single person's 10-cent ID with a tracker on it, and the only thing that's being swapped out is your ID for mine. This one is mine. So then when I send this out, I'm going to set this up for tomorrow. We're going to do 3 a.m. because I already have a few set up. You hit, boom. It is set up. I will show you that it is set up. When we go back and we look at the history, right here, it's already in queue. It doesn't need approved, nothing. It's ready to go. So I do this every single time. You want to save this link. So let's go set up one more. We'll set up one more. You want to come in here. You want to, once you get this link, I do this every time. You just click here. You paste in your link. Just keep this saved in like a Word doc or a text doc, whatever, on your computer. Once you've created this link for you with your affiliate ID right here, just save it to the side. Every day you come in here and set this up, you're just going to go enter new link to send clicks to. And then you're just going to paste it right here. You're going to put your name. You're going to set up for your next hour. You click, boom. It takes no extra time, like a second of extra time to set up tracking. Now, what tracking does is when you start getting clicks from CliqlyPro emails, you will be able to come over here. I'll refresh this so it's the latest data. Let me select today. So today I've gotten 336 clicks. Now, I don't know if that came from list building or CliqlyPro until I do this little drop down and I hit cpro, and it tells me how many of them came from CliqlyPro. So anything over what I got with my sub ID are clicks that are coming from list building that I am doing today. That is how we know how many clicks we're getting from list building. Now, the list building clicks that we get should match up with your clickers list for the day. But that will be a different video. This is simply how do I set up my sub ID. And the reason we do that is so today I've gotten 336 clicks, but I know 217 of them came from CliqlyPro. The difference came from list building. And then another video will show you how to match that up. So that is all this video is for today. Again, track everything in here, guys. It just makes it so much easier. Like the video, comment below if you have questions. I'll put some of this in the description, but the problem is I can't paste the whole link because YouTube thinks it's a link and it will it'll be clickable, and I don't want a clickable link. So I'll just put like the sub ID code that you need to add to the end of it, and then everyone needs to just pause the video and literally letter for letter just copy the link. It's not that hard. But join the Facebook group. This is where I post a lot of this information for you guys and where you can ask me questions and things like that. But like, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff so that you can get the latest info.